Hey guys, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on a Ubuntu based Linux machine. So for this purpose I'll be using Linux Mint for as an Ubuntu version actually. So I have documented the steps. I'll be putting these steps in the description as well. So first of all, you just need to navigate to the terminal, check your current working directory, present working directory. You just need to download the Debian package from Google. It is pretty quick actually. It is approximately 80 MB of the package. Once the download is done, we just need to install it through this command line, sudo apt install dot slash the Debian file. Say yes. Let's wait for a moment till the time progress goes on. It's done. Now either you can search from here about Chrome, or else you can also Google Chrome in the CLI. I'll be ensuring to right click and add to panel if you want to put it in the taskbar actually, and the panel in Linux, and it's done. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. You may subscribe to the channel. Thank you.